So this is Fairmont State's Summer Bridge program, which is part of a bigger project called the First2 network, in which we are trying to retain students for their first 2 years of college, and we're targeting first-generation college students that are or other underrepresented groups. And the Bridge program is designed to help those students transition from high school to college. We are taking a program that Fairmont State delivers throughout the course of their freshman year, and we're taking the important pieces and putting it into a 3-day program. Lots of little ways of giving them tools to survive as a freshman, and then meeting people, getting to know where the buildings are in advance of starting, getting to know what college is like, transitioning, etc.
As my position, I was actually them last summer, and it was kind of like they're getting a fresh feel from me to them. They're actually involved in a science research. It's like a bridging program for not only the academic life, but this professor and the students to, I guess, eliminate the intimidation. The takeaway is like they're networking, and once they transition out of college, they'll be able to take that with them.
As of right now, I am studying for forensics, so I do plan on graduating and then getting a job and establishing myself. And then later on, I do wish to go and join the FBI and become like a lab assistant there, or like a lab technician, and just basically work in the lab in the FBI.
We're trying different techniques of engaging them in the same content. The scavenger hunt is to get them to actually physically go to the career services, go to the tutoring center, go to the help center, go to IT, places like that. And if they physically go there and sit for 5 or 10 minutes to have someone speak with them, they're more apt to return.
This program is like allowing me to communicate with people better, because I struggle with that, if I'm being completely honest. And it's allowing me to create a community within the school, and it's allowing me to be able to be comfortable with going to my teachers and getting help from them, and going to some of my peers and asking if they know the answers to some questions and everything. And communication is just like a great skill that you need in life to begin with, and especially with me going into forensics, I'm going to have to be talking to the people who work in the field. I'm going to have to be talking to my coworkers and my bosses and everything like that. So that's like a really big skill that the First2 program is going to help me with, and that's like something I'm very excited about, is like upgrading that skill that I have.